Did you know that you have the catalog at your fingertips 24/7? You do. So start at ClassLink, go to the tree, which is the library catalog, click on it, then select Wilson Middle School. This is the home page with all kinds of resources. You can take a look at this. We have an Instagram account for the library, and I am in the process of creating a library website that you can connect to there. To get to the catalog, you can click on the tab up here, and this is the classic view of the catalog. So type in your search term, your title, whatever it is you're looking for, and keyword search does a general search. Title is pretty obvious. If you're searching for a particular author, use that. Maybe subject would work for you, or even series. So right now we're just searching in the Wilson catalog. If you would like to see if another school has it, you can open it up to the Appleton Area School District. While we are in virtual school, we are not doing interlibrary loan between the schools for various reasons. And so you'll be able to, once curbside pickup starts, you will be able to get physical books from our library. So more information to come on that. You can also search by different material types. You can also select reading levels, Lexile, whatever. So you can set your filters up to help improve your search. So if we search for a book, say Stamped, I know that's the title, so I'm going to search the title. And it comes up and it lets me know that we have it as an ebook. And also as an audiobook. They're both on Overdrive, and you can access them right here from the catalog. All you have to do is click Open, and it will take you right to the Overdrive site. So just follow the prompts, and it is really easy. If you want more information about the book, click on the record, and it tells you a little bit about what the story is about. I've heard the audiobook is read by Jason Reynolds, and it is phenomenal. Okay, so take a look, and that is how you use the basic catalog. If you have any questions, please ask. Have a great day.